Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video I'll be talking about the software engineer 1 role that has opened up at JPMorgan Chase in Mumbai, Maharashtra. This is a full-time on-site job where you'll have to be present in office for the job. Moving on to the uh, required qualifications, capabilities, skills that they have mentioned. You should be having a bachelor's or a master's degree in science, technology, engineering, or mathematics, or any other related field which has a significant exposure to computer programming. If you have a minimum of 2 years of experience in full stack development, then you would be the perfect fit for this role. And they want you to have some knowledge, some proficiency in Python, in Tornado Web Framework, TypeScript, as well as React. Knowledge of software architecture, object oriented programming, and also nowadays we quite often see in job descriptions they're asking for machine learning models. They're asking for experience with integrating LLMs into your application. And definitely the ability to communicate, the ability to think critically, assess user requirements, and deliver products which are complying with the maximum possible user needs. These are qualities or capabilities that any team would want you to have. Apart from that, as a part of their preferred qualifications, capabilities, if you have had some experience in working with large data sets, uh, again they have mentioned again about LLM integration and deployment in real world applications. If you have the knowledge of that, then you would be a great fit for this role. Some knowledge, some experience with UI UX designing, some knowledge about risk management, since this is a bank, financial services, risk management. If you have some knowledge of that, then it would be better for you to join. Right, so these are all the expectations, a minimum and preferred, that they have listed in their job description. Now moving on to the hiring process that they generally follow. So once you submit your resume, make sure your resume has a high ATS score. You can check that from online platforms where they rate your resume on the basis of an ATS checker. So make sure your ATS score is high, because they use ATS to shortlist your resumes. Yes, they do have shortlisting in your resume round. So make sure whatever you have covered in your skills in your previous experience section, make sure you are complying with the main requirements or the main qualifications that they have highlighted in their job description. Then only you will be perfectly going through your resume round, and then you will have to sit for a code screen round, which is an online coding assessment, which you will have to give in any online platform, and it will be having your camera on and your screen they will be monitoring. So make sure to comply with all the basic necessities and requirements that they have given. So the more the test cases you solve, the better, and you will have 2 to 3 questions, 1 hour to solve it. Now after you get through the code screen round, you will have a recruiter call. Since this is an off-campus job opening, you will get a recruiter call where you will have to talk to your HR manager, and he or she will be setting up your interview day, the meetings that will be scheduled on your interview day. The HR manager will be setting up. They'll be asking you when will you be free for the whole day, because the day of the interview you will have 3 consecutive interviews. Maybe there will be some time gap between them, but you'll have 3 consecutive interviews on the same day, right? So they call it the super day, and this is how their off-campus hiring kind of happens. So you will have to sit for 3 consecutive interviews. Each one will be eliminatory. So if you are satisfying your interviewer in the first round, then you move on to your second round. Again, second round, if you are satisfying, you'll go to your third round. So 3 interviews, 1 day, and the decision is made. During these rounds only, they might ask you some HR based questions to understand how you are culturally fit for this role, right? So this is how your interview process is done, and at the end they make your decision and they let you know that yes, you are hired for this role. And at the end they will be matching you with your team. They'll be taking your opinion on what tech stacks you think you'll perform the best, or you think that you want to perform, you want to work on this particular tech stack or this particular team. And they will be looking into the vacancies and connecting you with your team, your manager, and they might be asking you some questions at the end. So this is your entire hiring process that is followed at JPMorgan Chase. Whether you get hired or not, make sure to apply before the link expires. I have attached the link to the job opening in the description of my video. Go ahead and apply before the link expires. And if you are liking my content, finding it useful, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. And I do post quite frequently on internships and job openings for college students. So don't miss out. Subscribe to my channel, and hope you guys are having a good day. See you in my next video.